Pacific. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest and deepest maritime theater, encompassing more surface area than all of Earth's land masses combined. It serves as the planet's primary reservoir, holding more than half of its free-flowing water. Its geological operational profile is defined by the Ring of Fire, a massive perimeter of tectonic activity that creates frequent volcanic and seismic events. Within this sector lies the Mariana Trench, the planet's deepest extraction point, reaching nearly 11,000 meters below sea level. Climatologically, the Pacific strongly influences global weather through El Niño and La Niña, shifting rainfall and temperature patterns around the world. Atlantic. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest maritime zone and serves as the planet's primary logistics corridor. It is characterized by its S-shaped basin and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, an underwater mountain range where new seafloor is constantly being generated, causing the ocean to widen. The Atlantic acts as a thermal transport system, most notably through the Gulf Stream, which carries warm tropical water to northern Europe, significantly altering the climate of the North Atlantic sector. It is the most heavily trafficked ocean for global trade and has historically been the central operational theater for maritime communication and undersea fiber optic cabling between the Americas, Europe, and Africa. Indian. The Indian Ocean is the warmest maritime theater in the world and is a critical resource hub for global energy security. Approximately 40% of the world's offshore oil production is extracted from this sector. Unlike the Pacific and Atlantic, its operational doctrine is dictated by the monsoon cycle, a seasonal reversal of winds that governs the region's climate and agriculture. It is bounded by land on three sides, creating a unique closed-loop thermal environment that is highly sensitive to climate change. Strategically, the Indian Ocean contains some of the world's most vital choke points, including the Strait of Hormuz and the Strait of Malacca, where a major share of global oil and seaborne trade flows. Southern. The Southern Ocean, or Antarctic Ocean, is the planet's climatological engine, and the only ocean to fully encircle a continent. It is defined by the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, the world's most powerful maritime conveyor, which moves 100 times the flow of every river on Earth combined. This current acts as a physical barrier, trapping cold water around Antarctica and regulating global temperatures. The Southern Ocean is a major carbon sink, absorbing a disproportionate share of human-produced CO2 compared with its surface area. It is characterized by extreme cold operations, seasonal sea ice, and a nutrient-rich supply chain that supports massive populations of krill, the foundation of the Southern Hemisphere's food web. Arctic. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest, shallowest, and most environmentally volatile maritime sector. With sea ice that expands in winter and shrinks in summer, and has been declining in recent decades, it is surrounded by the land masses of Eurasia and North America. It is characterized by its low salinity profile, caused by limited evaporation and heavy freshwater inflow from massive Siberian and Canadian rivers. Currently, the Arctic is the front line of global geopolitical and environmental shifts, as rapidly melting sea ice opens up new northern trade routes, the Northwest Passage and the Northern Sea Route, and exposes previously inaccessible mineral and energy reserves. Its bright sea ice helps cool the planet by reflecting sunlight. As that ice shrinks, darker ocean water absorbs more heat. Thanks for watching. Which ocean do you find the most interesting, and why? Let me know in the comments. Also, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.